Hi, today I'm going to be talking about two simple errors that happen while doing IUPAC nomenclature and how you can correct them. Let's go. One of the most common mistakes that we see during IUPAC nomenclature is not getting the position correct. So let's just take a look at how we can correct that. Now you can see here I've got two different numbering orders, one from left to right and one from right to left. Now, when we're looking at left to right, the double bond takes the first position, and that's the more important functional group that we're going to give. And the methyl group is at second position, and another double bond at the third position. When we look at right to left, we can see again here double bond has the first position, but here on second position there's nothing. Instead, the methyl comes on third position. Now, as per our sum of locants, we have to give the lowest value possible to all of the functional groups present. Now let's look at the sum of the locants. We have the double bond on the first position, the CH3 on the second position, and another double bond on the third position. So when we sum it up, it comes to a value of 6. When we look at the numbering from the right hand side, we have the double bond on the first position, methyl group on the third position, and again the double bond on the third position. So this gives us a sum total of 7. So always add up the position of the locants to identify which numbering system is the correct one. So this will be the correct numbering system. Okay, using this same example, let's look at another possible mistake. So you can see I've written 4 different variations of the name for this particular compound. Now I'm going to walk you through what is wrong and in each one of them and what is the actual correct one. Let's start with this last one. 2-methyl buta 1,3-ene. Now this is wrong because when you have two double bonds, when you have two of any functional group, you need to write diene. You cannot write just ene or you cannot write just all. If there's 2 alcohol groups, it has to be diol, 2 alkene groups, diene, and so on. So you have to mention the number as well. So that's why this one is wrong. Okay, now let's look at this name. 2-methyl buta 1,4-diene. Now, while the position of the first double bond and the methyl is correct, the second one, they've taken the second carbon. So we know the double bond lies between 2 carbons, right? So you need to take the number of the lower value, not the number of the higher value, which is why this is wrong. And that's also why this name is wrong, because they've taken the higher value. So when the double bond is between 1 and 2, you have to choose number 1 to indicate the position and not number 2. Similarly, between 3 and 4, you choose the number 3 to indicate the position, not number 4, which is why this is the correct name. Okay, so to summarize, the 2 common mistakes that are easy to correct. One is making sure that you do a sum of the locants to identify the position and the numbering system correctly. And the second one is to ensure that when you have the same group multiple times present on the compound, you use the prefix of di, tri, tetra, etc. to indicate that the same group is found in multiples. Okay, I hope this helps, and I'll be back with another mini training on another day. See you. Bye-bye.